head, someone was there. Long dark hair, tied back with care, white summer dress, heavy when wet. If you look close, you would know her shoulders shaking slow. No real thought, no real plan. I just spoke where I stand. Are you cold tonight? She said, yeah, a little bit. With those words something hit, like the rain in my chest. My heart fell through the mist. Took my coat, didn't say a word. On her shoulders, let it rest. And I stepped out into the rain, one small step away. She turned back, called my name. I should go, I can't be late. But maybe another day. In the rain, my voice broke, every word soaked away. Early autumn air, wet shoes, her shaking frame, I won't forget. Standing next to her that night, my heart almost tore apart. The rain must have stopped soon. Where did she go? Early autumn rain, nothing really changed. But that night still remains.